This is our no omelet pan vegan omelet, and it's not only great tasting, it's also much easier to make than others you may have tried. You'll only need tofu, turmeric, your choice of fillings. We use green pepper, red pepper, and mushrooms for this example, your favorite vegan cheese, water, salt, and pepper. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. In a blender, mix a quarter of a block of tofu, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 4 tablespoons of water, and blend until smooth. The mixture should be the consistency of pancake batter. You can use a baking sheet or, as we did here, a cast iron griddle. Line it with parchment paper. We cut our paper to fit the pan, although that's not necessary. Pour the mixture and spread it around to make an even round shape. Place in the 350 degree oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes or when it becomes firm to the touch. While it's baking, you can prepare your filler ingredients. Check your omelet after 10 minutes, but don't touch until the edges start to brown and lift. If you touch it too early, you'll likely disturb the mixture and create a hole in your omelet. When it looks ready, very gently test the omelet with your finger to see if it's firmed up. Once it's ready, take it out of the oven and transfer it over to a plate. Lay a second piece of parchment on top, cover with a second plate, and flip it over. Now remove the original parchment paper, transfer back to the griddle, and return to the oven. Bake for around 5 to 7 minutes or until the newly exposed side becomes firm to the touch. Remove from the oven, transfer back to a plate, and cover with a paper towel. The paper towel will draw additional moisture out while it's in the microwave. Remove the parchment paper and microwave for 30 seconds. Add a second paper towel and use the extra plate to flip one more time. You'll notice the paper towel is damp. Back in the microwave for 30 more seconds, and now it's ready for salt and pepper, filler ingredients, and vegan cheese. One last trip to the microwave to melt the cheese, and it's finally ready to serve. This oil-free and healthy vegan omelet looks as great as it tastes.